tayo, ito naghahanap tayo ng super dancers from our studio audience.
Yes, that's
Diba,
right.
Sarah?
Yes, Sir Gary. Guys, kids. Oh, ito ang solo. Sino ang magsisolo sa atin?
Really
ito
solid
ang
pala.
duo. Yes.
Ito ang duo. Ito ang
trio. Family po ba kayo, sir? Oh. Okay, mag-go na? Okay.
Game na ba?
Play music.
Play music. Music. Taas lang na music na konti.
Okay,
Let's
taas
start
natin
with the
ang konti.
soloist. Shall we try it with the soloist? Lakasan pa yung
Ano pong
music!
ninyo? Ron. Miss Ron. Miss Ron. Ang galing ko na naman yung Miss Ron. Yan na, Miss Ron.
Ayan na. Yeah, Ron.
Go, girl. Go, girl.
O yung trio naman.
Family, Woo! Taas na natin ang music. Baby King. Yes! Galing naman. Ako, bagay kayong lahat sa ASAP Super Dance Off.
yun.
Kaya naman, be the next Super Dance Star. Audition as solo, duo, or trio. Bring the following photo. Okay. Original and photocopy of birth certificate, 1-minute CD material, and audition will be on March 26 at Ayala Mall, Cebu.
Lapit na.
And on April 2 to 3 sa ABS-CBN Manila from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah.
Audition. Please audition na kaagad and be the next ASAP Super Dance na magiging part ng fiercest Super Dance performance. Like our next surprise for all of you. The ASAP Rocks Countdown now gives you the best of the best in dance. Kasama sina, check it out, Karil, Gab, Raver, Christine, Bugoy, John, Ia, Missy, Empress,